everybody. I'm on the train going up to Christ the Redeemer, and today I'm still on a hunt for Copaiba and for our eucalyptus, which is somewhere here in this forest. Okay, what's your name?
Jauveir Guimarães.
And you are from...
I'm from Brazil.
Yeah?
I was born in Brazil.
Yeah.
And I live here since I was born. Although I have traveled many places inside Brazil and in the world as well.
Yeah. Do you love plants and botany? And
I do. Yeah, at home I have a yard, and my wife, she has lots of seeds and lots of plants.
Well, I have a question for you. Because
Okay.
what I do is essential oils and aromatherapy. Are you familiar with that? Using the plants to create an oil from, like lavender.
Got it.
Well, there's two that I found online that are from Brazil. I was just wondering, can you help me? Do you know how to say this word?
Copaiba.
Copaiba. Say that again.
Copaiba.
Copaiba. Okay. I want to know how to say it because I'm probably not saying it right.
Copaiba.
So I say, yeah,
Copaiba.
okay. I was saying Copaiba.
Yeah, that would be Copaiba
Now,
in our language.
This one is a balsam,
reticulata.
and they say it grows here in Brazil.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I was wondering,
Reticulated.
will we see this today? Maybe.
Reticulated Copaiba, Copaiba balsam.
Balsam.
It's a balsam, Copaiba balsam. I don't know.
Yeah,
Probably.
they say it grows in the forest.
Humid forest.
Yeah, in Brazil. So
Yeah.
if we
Humid
see
forest,
it, point it out. If you happen to
unplanted. Okay, so you recognize the plants?
Well, yeah, I will look
Upland.
for it. I don't know if I can find it. And this is another one.
Okay.
This one is eucalyptus.
Citroidora.
Yes,
Lemon
like lemon
scented.
essential, or
okay.
eucalyptus lemon.
Okay,
Yeah.
Eucalyptus
Yeah.
citriodora. Hook.
So this is the tree with the long, skinny leaves, and it grows really big.
Okay.
I don't know if it's in the Amazon or if it'll be here in the forest, but if we happen to see it.
Eucalyptus.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try. I'm not
Okay.
I don't actually, to tell you the truth, I'm not so familiar with
That you could point out a tree.
that you
and
go.
point
That's
out.
it. That's that. You know. But anyway,
Well,
bring
we're gonna
people.
try to find it
Yeah,
today.
I like history actually. Then I tell the history of the things.
Right.
Now you notice
okay.
that
Well,
already.
then if we catch you talking about something, we're gonna put
good,
you on
good,
camera to
good.
tell us about
Yeah.
these. Okay.
Good.
All
Okay.
right. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay. So we're in the botanical gardens and we're looking for our two species that we're on a hunt for, which is the eucalyptus lemon and the Copaiba or Copaiba. So I'm working on that, looking for it now. Look at this beautiful waterfall behind me. We're sitting at the gazebo by the King's Table in the Botanical Gardens, who actually started, the royal family came from Portugal during the time of Napoleon Bonaparte, and they came here and settled here and started this. Yeah, I'm walking up the hill, and other people might be bird watching. I'm tree watching, looking for my two species. See if we can find them. Here are the beautiful waterfalls. We're getting really close. So pretty. It's beautiful. Here we go. I see it ahead. Alright, so I'm here in the National Forest and we're enjoying the view of this waterfall behind me. I'm going to go down so you can see it. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it feels so good. The cool air blowing. It's beautiful here. Enjoying the beauty. I think we have just found our tree. There we go.
Are you saying that's Copaiba?
Okay, well, we have a beautiful day here in Rio de Janeiro, and I'm just reviewing some notes that my husband printed out for me. Very nice and kind of him, so I didn't have to drag books with me. I was just looking up some of the natural species of plants that grow here in South America, specifically Brazil, and the ones that we are getting our essentials from. So one of those is Copaiba and Eucalyptus citrifera. So let's look at the Copaiba. I'm not sure how you guys say it. I say Copaiba or Copaiba. And this particular one is a balsam. So we're actually using I guess it's more of a resin that's coming from the trunk of the tree, and it's high in sesquiterpenes, which makes it very calming and relaxing, but there's so many benefits to it. I was just looking at this. It's an evergreen tree that grows 30 to 45 meters tall, so it's very big. It's straight and it has it's not having any branches for like 30 meters. It's found in human forests in South America, particularly in Brazil and Peru. So this one is great for the Copaiba resin. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the medicinal properties. That's what I like to look at. And this is one of the oils that we cover in our level 2 class. So this one being an oleo resin and coming from the trunk. Now this one has a very bitter burning taste. Now I've taken the soft gels before. I'm not really sure if it's if I'm benefiting from it, but some of the benefits is that it is anti-acid, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, astringent. It is also a cytostatic, and it's good for the chest, for mucus, digestive, disinfectant, diuretic, expectorant, that's what I was trying to say, mildly laxative, vermifuge, and vulnerary. Wow, it's a lot of benefits here. So what we are looking at is the essential oil contains alpha and beta carotenoline, I'm probably not saying that right, but it's sesquiterpenes, resins, and therapeutic acids. So this one is great as a diuretic, expectorant. That would be a great reason to use it, as well as controlling bacterial infections. And there's some research, and I know that doTERRA sells this in the soft gels as well as the oil, so you can maybe look on their website for more information about some of the benefits. By the way, I don't sell that product. In fact, I sort of had to just close my account because I talk about the medicinal uses of essential oils so much in my posts on Facebook, any social media for that matter, and YouTube. They basically contacted me and asked me to pull it all down, and I said, no, I don't think so. So I basically just killed my account, and I wasn't selling it anyway. I was just using their product. So once I'm done, I'm done. because I tend to buy things from different sources anyway. So one of the things that they were talking about was its pain relieving properties, and it's anti-inflammatory. It's good for nail fungus and gastroprotective properties. So for that, you may want to try it. Let's see what else. I know I saw the sesquiterpenes in here. And that's what I was looking for benefits for, because I've had urinary tract infections, I've had some sciatica, back pain, and I was hoping that it was going to alleviate some of the inflammation for that. I haven't really seen where it's done that for me, and so I've moved over to start using CBD in the gummy format and without THC. And that seems to be working really well on the blood pressure, and I think it's also helped with the inflammation. Of course, here, doing a lot of walking, doing a lot of things here. It's such a beautiful place. You should come visit. That's about it. Let's see if I got anything else here specifically about this plant. But it loves humidity, of course, and that's what is really here. If you're thinking about maybe doing your own research, go online. Let me see where he got this information from. Not seeing it here, but anyway, thanks to Mark for doing this for me, getting some notes on this particular essential oil so I can share it with you guys and get to share this beautiful sunshine with you as well. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Copaiba. Okay, I was saying Copaiba.
Okay. Yeah, that would be Copaiba
Now,
in our language.
Copaiba or Copaiba. I'm not sure how you guys say it. I say Copaiba or Copaiba. The Copaiba resin, Copaiba essential oil in the